Today we are doing a walking workout at home so you can get a good cardio fat burn while watching TV or when it's raining outside, too cold, too crowded, too polluted. You can get this done in the comfort of your own home. Don't underestimate this workout. It will get you all sweaty, and the full body fat burn is way more intense than you think. If you're ready, let's go. There will be 10 exercises, 40 seconds each. There will also be longer rests in between sets. Now let's start walking. Exercise: simply walk on the spot or around your room to warm up the body. Back straight, good posture, not slouch. You are going to be sweating crazy by the end of the 30 minutes. Rest: you can rest or continue walking to keep your heart rate up until the next move. Arm lifts, high knee. As I'm walking, exercise: crunch your abs as you bring your elbows down and lift one knee up. Tighten the belly for each rep. Rest. Third, punch and step exercise. Punch with one fist as you step one foot out. Each punch strong and firm. The more effort you put in, the more results you get. Rest. Fourth, side to side. Exercise: step from side to side as you hit your elbows backwards. Squeeze the shoulder blades and work your back for more burn. Keep up the good energy. Rest. Fifth, front ankle tap exercise. Tap opposite ankle as you bring one leg up in front. Alternate sides. You should be feeling the cardio burn by now. Keep it going. Rest. Next, back ankle tap. Exercise: this time tap your opposite ankle as you kick one leg to the back. Repeat on one side for 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Other leg. 10 seconds. Give me a few more reps. Rest. 7, standing at bike and make things. Exercise: crunch your abs as you bring your elbow and opposite knee into tap. Done. Focus on working the abs. Take out all the negative energy, everything that's been holding you back from becoming the person you want to be. We are in control to create our own future. Step in place. exercise a little break for the legs as we focus on working the arms this round. Push your hands towards the sky, work the arm flap. Rest. Last one before long rest, square crab. Walk. Exercise, go into half squat position. Step your foot forward one by one, then back in a square, chest up, don't round your back. Hang in there 20 seconds until we get 1 minute rest. Stay low, finish strong. Rest for 60 seconds. Again, you can keep walking if you want to, or you can grab a water, shake out your legs before we go into our second. Set, starting with high knee tap. When you're moving, that's how we live. Exercise, bring one knee up at a time to touch your palm at waist level. 15 seconds. Rest. 12. Sky reach, kick back. We did it. Way to go. There are little ones that we celebrate every day, and this moment is one of them. Thank you for doing this walking workout with me. Hope you had an awesome cardio burn. Remember to stretch out before you leave, and I'll see you again very soon.